Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. iPhone 17 will be more expensive than its predecessors, even without Trump's tariffs. Interacting with Apple CEO Tim Cook, US President Donald Trump actively pushed him to organize iPhone production in the US. But for now, this type of product is still exempt from increased import duties. Experts expect that this will not help to avoid an increase in retail prices for the iPhone 17 family. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple is set to unveil its new iPhone 17 generation smartphones this month, and some analysts expect them to cost at least $50 more for American consumers than their predecessors. Under pressure from Trump, Tim Cook has promised that Apple will spend about $600 billion in the US over the next 5 years. The company has thus sought to prevent the introduction of higher import duties on iPhones, which could increase the retail price of these smartphones in the US by about 2 times. The Plus model is expected to give way to the ultra-thin Air in the iPhone 17 lineup, and in the best-case scenario, the latter will be able to take over the former's $899 price tag, although it may be higher. Price changes are also possible for other models in the new family. It cannot be said that Apple has managed to avoid the impact of American customs tariffs. In the second quarter, it spent $800 million on relevant purposes, and in the current one, it is planning core expenses in the amount of $1.1 billion. Sooner or later, it will be forced to transfer this burden to consumers' wallets, and the debut of the new iPhone family provides just such an opportunity. In its home market, the US, Apple tries to manipulate prices very carefully. For example, the iPhone Pro has remained at $999 since its debut in 2017. At the same time, the entry-level models in the lineup have risen in price, from $699 to $829 in 2020. The compact iPhone mini for $699 gave way to the iPhone Plus for $899. 2 years ago, the iPhone Pro Max increased in price from $1099 to $1199. If the prices of Apple smartphones for the US market increase this month, the company's management is unlikely to refer to customs tariffs. One of the ways to justify the price increase could be to exclude the iPhone 17 Pro version, with the minimum amount of memory. The smartphone could be offered only in a version with 256 gigabytes of memory, for which you will have to pay $10,999. At least, this is the scenario described by JP Morgan analysts in their forecast.